Back in January, Nothing officially announced that the Phone 3a wouldn't just be a standalone device, but would indeed have at least one successor lined up for release. The company set March 4 as the official launch date, sparking curiosity among tech enthusiasts. However, recent revelations have brought unexpected news. Nothing isn't just unveiling a single model this time. Instead, it's expanding the lineup by introducing the Nothing Phone 3a series, which will consist of two distinct variants. While both models are expected to maintain the brand's signature design aesthetic, a key difference between them will set them apart, offering users a choice based on their preferences and needs. What's even more surprising is the continued absence of the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3, the true flagship that many had been eagerly waiting for. For those hoping for a premium upgrade in the mainline series, this might come as a letdown. However, thanks to a fresh round of leaks from SmartPriest, we now have a clearer picture of what to expect from the Nothing Phone 3a and its Pro variant. Interestingly, the strategy Nothing is following with this release feels oddly familiar. It almost seems like history is repeating itself, mirroring an approach we've witnessed in the past. Do you remember how the Nothing Phone 2a and 2a Plus were almost identical, with their only real differences being in the processor and the front-facing camera? Well, Nothing is sticking to a similar game plan with its latest smartphone release. However, this time around, the primary distinguishing factor isn't the chipset or display, it's the camera system. And unlike before, the Pro variant isn't just a minor step up. It actually introduces some major enhancements that set it apart in a significant way. The newly launched Nothing Phone 3a Pro comes packed with an advanced triple camera system, making it a serious contender in mobile photography. At the core of its setup is a powerful 50MP primary camera designed to capture high-resolution images with stunning detail and clarity. Alongside it, there's another 50MP sensor dedicated to zoom functionality, featuring an impressive 3x optical zoom with optical image stabilization (OIS) to ensure crisp and steady shots even when zooming in. But that's not all. This telephoto lens isn't just for slight magnification. It boasts an incredible 60x hybrid zoom, allowing users to get exceptionally close to distant subjects without losing much quality. Adding even more versatility, this lens also doubles as a macro camera, capable of taking highly detailed close-up shots with remarkable precision. Completing the trio is an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, which is perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes, large group shots, or creative wide-angle perspectives. To ensure top-tier image quality, Nothing has integrated Sony's LYT600 sensor into this device, using a sizable 1x1.95-inch sensor format. This is the very same high-performance sensor featured in the Realme 13 Pro Plus, a phone already praised for its camera capabilities. With this premium hardware, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro is set to deliver a photography experience that rivals some of the best devices on the market. Both models share nearly identical specifications, leaving little to differentiate them. Under the hood, they are both powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, ensuring smooth performance. The display is a generous 6.72-inch AMOLED panel, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks, complemented by a fluid 120Hz refresh rate for a seamless user experience. Additionally, the front-facing camera is a 32MP shooter, promising crisp and clear selfies, as well as high-definition video calls. Now, let's take a closer look at the battery performance. While a 5000 mAh battery paired with 45-watt fast charging is solid, it's far from revolutionary in 2025, with many brands pushing the boundaries by offering larger battery capacities or significantly faster charging speeds. An upgrade in either aspect would have been a welcome addition. Moving on to durability, the device carries an IP64 rating, which provides basic protection against dust and splashes. While this level of resistance is fairly common in this price segment, a handful of competitors have stepped up by offering superior water and dust protection. The highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3a is expected to hit the market with an estimated starting price of roughly $288. On the other hand, the Pro version is likely to carry a slightly higher price tag, coming in at around $345. However, customers in Europe and the United States should prepare for a slight price increase due to regional pricing differences. The wait won't be long, as all details will be officially unveiled during the grand launch event scheduled for March 12th, and that sums up everything we currently know about the Nothing Phone 3a series. Are you excited about the potential upgrades these smartphones might offer, or do they seem like just another routine refresh? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment below. Also, if you want to stay stay informed about the latest tech updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.